About this item: 15-in-1 multifunction dock Jagram USB-C docking station. Multiple adapter, have 15 ports. It contains one host, one PD 3.0 and 1 data transfer ports, 1 Ethernet port, 1 DP, 2 HDMI, 1 VGA, 5 USB-A, 2 USB 3.1, 1 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0, 1 3.5mm audio/microphone port, 1 SD and TF card reader interface. Powerful and flexible capability, saving valuable desktop space for you. Totally quadruple display. It features dual HDMI ports, 1 DP port and 1 VGA port, allowing 4 external monitors to run simultaneously. You can connect it to HDMI 1/HDMI 2, VGA and DP for totally 4 different contents between your laptop and each monitors, contents A, B, C, D, E. Since Mac OS itself does not support extended mode, you can only get 2 different contents A, B, 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 B. Note: only Nvidia and AMD graphics cards can get 4 monitors show on at once for any laptop system. Ultra